Welcome to Amity University Rajasthan. It is a 152-acre campus, situated 45 kilometers away from the Jaipur city. The lush and green campus is a community of its own. It is a miniature of a town with all the amenities and services in it. The two green belts supports the sustainability aspect of the campus. Every open space has its own character. There are various shading structures which serve as in-between interactive spaces all around the campus. There are solar trees placed at every parking. It captures the solar radiation to produce electricity, as well as shading the cars and the pedestrian walkways. The artificial lake with a capacity of 6 lakh liters is placed in the catchment area of the site. It does not only add to the beauty but also serves a major role in the water treatment plant. The academic zone is designed at the high point of this site. It shows hierarchy of power and knowledge. The boulevard ends at the central academic building. The two SRC blocks are placed at the entrance of the academic zone. The academic block is divided into 4 buildings, which are connected via internal corridors. The facade of the buildings are designed according to the climate of this site. The east-to-south facade had angular window shade which are angled according to the sun path. The pattern on the west facade depicts the Rajasthani jali. The north facade is biomimicry of the pitcher plant. The facade captions sunlight with mouth-shaped glazing. The bridge connecting to the departments adds an amazing view of the lake. A campus that seeks to lovingly linger in the collective mind of the community as an oasis of learning, a memorable and unique campus, where the most advanced knowledge is imparted in the most appropriate and pleasurable setting of a campus to which all will enjoy. Thank you.